Um, I'm starting this segment called Ancient One Explorations by yours truly, and this is what I'll be exploring today. This is kind of a deep one, a deep topic, but let's go there. Let's really go there. Let's break the mold. Um, what's the ultimate nature of the multiverse? What's the ultimate nature of the multiverse? Does it go on forever, or does it suddenly stop? Is there an endpoint to the multiverse? And if there is, why hasn't anybody talked about it? And if you had to live in a multiverse, I'd like to think that we live in a multiverse where there are like infinite possibilities happening all around us all the time. So think about that. Infinite possibilities happening at all times. What does that mean necessarily? It means life can happen in an infinite number of ways. Things, events, people, they can happen in an infinite number of ways. And you'll see that every once in a while. You'll see that life expresses itself in ultimately limitless ways. You don't really notice it at first, but once you start actually going out and actually looking at people, you'll see that life does have a tendency to express itself in an infinite number of ways. So, yeah, there's that. And that's when life can get a little bit mysterious, you know? Because you never know what might happen. You never know what might happen around the corner. Because there's an infinite number of ways events can go down. You don't necessarily see it all the time because you're so busy looking at your phone, or you're so busy, just thinking about shit you shouldn't be thinking about. But, life works in a multitude of ways, I don't think life is like set in stone and there's a certain way things have to happen in order for things to actually go down and happen, if that makes sense. So in that sense, there's a lot more going on than you think. This was kind of off the cuff, and I really there's no limit to it. There's no end to it. There's just this moment right now and the moments that happen after it. That's it. That's all there is. There's just like moment, and then the moment, and then the moment, and then it just keeps going, and it can unfold in an infinite number of ways. That's the way I look at it. That's the way I see it. I don't see it as a positive or a negative. It just is that way. On my next video, I'll talk about more about my production company, and we'll see what that entitles. See you guys later.